The Vivid Money app already offers decent cashback, but there's a simple workaround that consistently unlocks higher returns. The key is using category-based boosts strategically and cycling them through high-spend merchants. This method doesn't break any rules, it simply maximizes the structure Vivid already provides. Start by activating a cashback category that aligns with predictable, repeatable expenses. Grocery stores, fuel stations, tech stores, and online marketplaces usually give the best results because they offer steady transactions. Once the category is active, route as many regular purchases as possible through these merchants while the enhanced rate is live. The goal is to concentrate your spending into periods when Vivid's cashback multiplier is at its highest. A second part of the workaround involves using Vivid's virtual cards. Assign one virtual card to each cashback category. This keeps your spending organized, removes errors, and ensures every qualified purchase triggers the bonus rate. It also simplifies tracking so you can immediately see which card performs the best in a given month. Another effective tactic is stacking Vivid cashback with merchant-level discounts or promo codes. If a retailer is already offering 5 to 10% off, combining it with Vivid's boosted category cashback multiplies the savings. Many users overlook this, but it's one of the fastest ways to reach higher monthly returns. For larger purchases, wait until the category you need becomes available as a boosted slot in Vivid. Whether it's electronics, travel bookings, or home items, timing major transactions with active cashback categories increases your earning potential without any extra effort. By combining category timing, virtual card allocation, and discount stacking, Vivid Money's cashback system becomes significantly more rewarding. This simple workaround transforms everyday spending into a consistent stream of higher cashback in dollars.